Red flag, Max. Red flag.
Max Verstappen out of qualifying.
What position are we?
Number 17.
Lando, we start on pole.
This is an absolute gift for Lando.
Fucking beautiful.
Your championship rival starting so far back that he won't even be able to see him in his mirrors.
Brilliant start by Verstappen. Verstappen started 17th on the grid. He's made up 7 places by the first corner on lap 2.
Max P7.
Fucking joking me. Tell me about it. Fucking deal there. Max is like fucking P10 already.
Max Verstappen wins the South Holland Grand Prix.